Transform your customers' post-conversion experience with a powerful, custom thank you page in WordPress. Let's dive into creating a thank you page that not only confirms a successful action, but also boosts engagement and gathers crucial feedback. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and head to Pages. Then click Add New. Title your new page something clear and appreciative, like "Thank you for your submission" or "Your order is confirmed." Now, in the content area, craft a warm and welcoming message. Reiterate what the user has just accomplished. Whether it's submitting a form, making a purchase, or signing up, personalize this message as much as possible. To make this page truly engaging, let's add some valuable elements. Click the Add Block button to explore the options. Consider adding an image that visually reinforces your brand, or the action taken. A prominent button can be used to guide them to their next step, like visit our blog, explore products, or download your resource. Configure your button with clear, actionable text and the appropriate destination URL. This directs their journey effectively. For valuable feedback, embed a short, focused feedback form. This allows you to understand their experience without overwhelming them. Keep it concise, just a few key questions. Preview your page to ensure it looks fantastic on all devices. Check that your messages are clear, your buttons are working, and your feedback form is properly displayed. The final, crucial step is to set up your form or e-commerce platform to redirect users to this new thank you page after a successful submission or purchase. This ensures they land on your engaging page every time. By implementing this custom thank you page, you're not just confirming an action, you're enhancing your customer journey, building trust, and setting the stage for future interactions. Happy creating.